Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about the lesson 1 heat, right? Yes, today we are going to see the changes around us. Okay, and this year science split into 3 groups. First one is physics, chemistry, and biology. You already learned heat, no? So that is your physics. Now we are going to learn the chemistry lesson, changes around us. Okay, are you understood, children? Right. First, what is change? What is change? The process in which something becomes different from what it was earlier. It is observable difference between initial state and the final state of any substance. The transformation of one thing into another is called a change. Okay, the transformation of one thing into another is called change. Change is a continuous process. It is in the law of nature. Change is the law of nature. In our day-to-day life, we see many changes around us. For example, weather changes periodically. Yes, daily weather changes periodically. Sometimes it will be hot, sometimes it will be cold. So weather also changes. Okay, changes take place around us all the time. Changes take place around us all the time. So let's take us look some common changes happening around us. Okay, all of us are born as a small baby, right? Then our body grows, next weight increases, height increases, and after passing all the stages in our life, we finally reached what stage? Old age stage. In fact, during our entire life, our nails, hair also growing, right? Yes. So what kind of change is that? This is the change in size, shape. Okay, similarly in change in plants and animals also. Sometimes plants and animals also some changes are happening. What are all? From a small seed you will plant in your, we will sowing in a soil. Okay, the plant turns into a huge tree after some years. Yes or no? So you will find a change. First you plant the seed in a soil, after that it goes small plant, then it goes to the huge tree. Yes or no? So this is the change happening in the nature. Okay, so the changes in properties like shape, color, temperature, position and composition also happened. Okay, sometimes the seasons also changes periodically. Sometimes now we are in summer season. After that, summer season means what? Spring, winter, like that the seasons also changes, no? So these also seasons also changes periodically. Okay, are you understand, children? So this is the change, the process in which something becomes different from what it was earlier. Initial stage to the final stage, in between gap there's some small changes are there, no? So this is called the change. Okay, next, classification of change. Classification of change. There are different types of changes observed in nature that occurs around us. Some changes take place very quickly, while other takes hours, days or even years. Some changes takes place very quickly. Some changes takes place very slow. Okay, some changes are temporary while some others are permanent. Some changes are temporary while others are permanent. Some changes produce new substance while others do not do the new substance. So the changes are natural. Changes are natural while others are made by human beings. Some changes are desirable to us, but some changes are not desirable. So here, is there any similarity between these changes? Yes, let's find out. We can classify many changes: slow, fast, reversible, irreversible, physical and chemical change, desirable and undesirable, natural and man-made. These are the classification of changes. These are the classification of changes. Once again I repeat you children, changes have different types. Some changes are very quickly, some changes are very slow, some changes are temporary, but some others are permanent. Some changes produce new substance while others do not. Some changes are natural while others are human beings. Some changes are desirable but some changes are not desirable. Are you clear children? Okay. Next week we will go next page. Next see first type of changes. Slow and fast change. Slow and fast change. Changes which takes place over a long period of time, hours, days, months, years are known as slow changes. Changes which take place over a long period of time. For example, hours, days, months, years are called as slow changes. Example what? Growth of nail. Yes, growth of nail takes hours or days. Yes or no? And hair also. Hair also we will grow for hours, days or months. Changes of season. Changes of season takes place months. Germination of seed. For example, a small seed growing into a tree. There is a change but you can't observe that very short period of time. Right? You need to wait for years. A seed take to 5 or 4 years to grow a big tree. But we think you have to identify as that there are so many changes replace around us. So many changes replace around us. You can change one object to another object for hours, days, months and years are called slow changes. The changes which take place for a longer period of time is called a slow changes. For example, milk change into curd more than 3 hours, right? And one revolution takes place at least 1 year. These also a slow changes example. Are you understood children? Slow changes means the changes takes place over a long period of time. Okay, are you clear children? Next, fast changes. Changes which takes place within a short period of time. Within a short period of time. For example, seconds or minutes are known as fast changes. Changes which takes place within a short period of time. For example, if you burst the balloon, just 1 second the balloon will burst. So this is also a immediate change. This is the fast change. Breaking of glass. Immediately you break the glass means the glass will break. So this is also a sudden change. Bursting of firecrackers, burning of paper. These are all fast changes. Are you understood children? So this is the first one, slow and fast changes. Slow changes means the changes which takes place over a long period of time. Fast changes means the changes which takes place within a short period of time. Are you understood children? Okay. Next one is the reversible and irreversible change. Next is reversible and irreversible change. Reversible change. Changes which can be reversed to get back to the original state are known as reversible change. Changes that can be reversed, you can obtain the changed substance in its original form. For example, we have a paper, we made a paper boat out of it. This was a original substance and now we made a paper boat out of it. Yes, this is the change of the substance, right? I want my original substance back. That means I want my paper back. Can I get my paper back children? Yes, I can. Just we unfold the paper boat, I will get my paper back, right? It will be little crushed, but it will be get my paper back. So this kind of change can be reversed and you get back the original substance are known as reversible change. If you get back the original substance again, it is called a reversible change. First the paper changes into board. After that you unfold the paper, again you will get the normal paper. So this is the reversible change. You again you get the original shape of the paper. Yes, but it should be crushed. After that you get some paper, right or not? Right or not? For example, touch me not plant, stretching of rubber band. If you stretch the rubber band, again it will come to the same shape. Melting of ice. These are the reversible changes example. Reversible changes example. Okay, are you understood, children? Next one, irreversible change. Next one is what? Irreversible change. Changes which cannot be reversed or get back to the original position. Changes which cannot be reversed or to get back to the original state are known as irreversible changes. Changes that cannot be reversed again. Changes is permanent. These changes is permanent. You cannot get back the original shape. Don't. After that again you get the same balloon. No, it will be burst. It cannot get the balloon back. So we cannot get the original substance back. Okay. This is the irreversible change. This is the irreversible change. Are you understood, children? Are you clear this one? First what we seen, slow and fast changes. Next one is the reversible and irreversible. Okay. Okay, children. Today class over. Tomorrow we will see some other changes. Okay. Thank you, children.